Specific. And what we mean by specific here is to be as clear as possible with what you want to achieve exactly. You may ask yourself what I want to achieve, why, who is involved, which resources are involved, and where exactly all of this is located. So let's take an example to illustrate this. And let's imagine that you are a clothes merchandising company. Instead of saying I want to make success, just decide in what exactly do you want to make success. Do you want to make success in sales or marketing or customer service? Let's say that you want to make success in sales. So your goal in the first step, to be more specific, will be as follows. I want to increase sales. That's great. This is a specific goal. So we apply the first step. Let's take another example. You may be a student and you want to make success. So instead of saying I want to make success or I want to be good, just say in what exactly do you want to be good? Do you want to be good in programming, in computer skills, soft skills, or in languages? And let's say that you want to be good in languages, especially in English. So instead of saying I want to be good, you may say I want to be good in English or I want to make success in English language. See you in the next lecture.